Hello, don't forget to do calendar and handwriting before you start your activities today. Welcome to Math Day 3. I'm going to leave this hundreds chart up here for a minute so you can do any warming up you'd like to do with your child. Remember, that is counting by ones, counting by twos, fives, tens, whatever you prefer. So I'm going to leave this up here for 1 minute. Welcome back. This is our math journal for day 3. We are going to draw our T-chart. And remember, you can follow along with this video, or you can write it, or you can do hand over hand with your child, or your child can write it. Our number today is going to be 55. So you ask your child if they know what 55 looks like. And it is 5, 5. And they are going to write 55. Next, we are going to break down 55 into place value. So you look at 55 and you go, oh, this one's kind of easy. In the tens place, there's a 5. In the ones place, there's a 5. So we are going to have 5 tens. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and then 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Notice with the green blocks, I counted by tens, and with the yellow small blocks, I counted by ones, because there's a 5 in the tens place and a 5 in the ones place. So you're going to write 5 tens, 5 ones. Okay, next you're going to spell out the number 55. So 55 is spelled like this: F-I-T-Y. Oh, we made a mistake, didn't we? F-I-F-T-Y. 5, F-I-V. You know, let your child know it's okay to make mistakes as long as you fix them. whenever it comes to our math journal. Okay, I'm going to clear out the bottom. Let's do another fraction with a square. So ask your child to draw a square, or you can do hand over hand with them to draw a square. Let's divide our square up again into 4s. Now, ask your child to color in 3 pieces this time. 3. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you want to encourage your child, for the bottom of your fraction, you have your line, and on the bottom is the total amount of cubes inside of our square. So you count those. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're including even the blank square, because it's all 4 of those cubes. So 4 goes on the bottom. And then how many are shaded in? 1, 2, 3. So you say your fraction is 3/4. That is our fraction. Okay, on the bottom we're going to do another simple addition. So let's do the number 4 plus 5. I'll give you time to write that down, or help your child do hand over hand or tracing, or they can write it themselves. Okay, for 4, you can draw 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. For the 5, you can draw 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4 plus, for your plus sign, you're combining the amount of dots and your numbers. You're combining all of those together. So you want to count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 4 plus 5 equals 9. You can also use manipulatives just like these, or toys, for representing those different numbers. So that is one way to do our math journal for day 3. This is another way you can do a math journal. You can do this as well. You can follow along, or you can skip. So our number today is 5. If you notice, we're going in order. So day 1 was 3, day 2 was 4, and today is 5. You are going to spell out the number 5. 5, F-I-V-E. You are now going to show a representation of what 5 looks like whenever you break it down. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots. And you can also do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 triangles. Like I said, your child can draw, or you can draw any shape that you want to. It's whatever helps them remember. So today I did triangles. Okay, so for the bottom, we're going to do count by 2s. So we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And once again, you can test your child by saying, okay, point to the 4. So they point to the 4, check. Point to the 8. So they can point to the 8, check. And so on and so forth with that. It's however you want to do it. If you just want them to count by 2s, that's okay too. And that is another way that you can do the math journal.